In the wake of prolonged economic uncertainty, nations doubled down on growth. Deregulated markets and sectoral policies sparked a new wave of prosperity, but not for all. While many Europeans enjoyed higher incomes and modern comforts, less competitive regions fell behind. EU cohesion weakened, giving way to fragmented policies and deepening divides. Alliances between powerful industrial and agrarian lobbies sidelined environmental safeguards. Deregulation and trade deals fueled short-term growth, but at the cost of ecosystems and community resilience. Europe's dependence on fossil fuels and extractive land use drove up commodity costs. Resource scarcity intensified and climate risks became harder to ignore. Nature became a commodity. Interest in conservation focused on areas tied to lifestyle and profit. Luxury ecotourism for the wealthy, while most turned to artificial alternatives for rest and escape. Market-led conservation schemes emerged, but remained voluntary and uneven. Large corporations gained most, while smaller forest owners struggled to access benefits. Innovation continued, but mostly in silos. Climate-smart cities rose, yet the broader landscape frayed. Provisioning services were prioritized, while regulating ones remained undervalued. In this world of progress, prosperity came at a price: social inequality, selective access to nature, and eroding trust in shared responsibility. Europe has advanced, adapted, and evolved, building prosperity through innovation, while navigating the complex trade-offs that come with it.